Pakistan, I see, is influenced from different countries, but there is very traditional, and I think, yeah, this is the same. I think the world is we're getting together and we learn from each. That's why I love to come to see what puppets here is traditional and also the modern. This is, I'm happy because all people think in the same way, and yeah, that we can be friends, I think. This is a very good place to meet each other. This is not military, this is normal people. There is children, there is women, there is man, there is family. And everywhere I go, I hear we have war, and people say, I hate. But when you come there, from very different opposite country, you see the same people. So just we have to think with our heart and with our head that we are all same, and nobody wants really crime and hate. So there is some people, but we are more power. I think we are the people.
Different forms की puppetry हम लाए हैं. We brought string, very traditional string puppets जो यहाँ पे साउथ ऑफ पंजाब में और इंडियन साइड पे वो राजस्थान जिसको हम कहते हैं. ये इस रीजन की सबसे beginning key format of puppetry was this, and then we've got storytelling, we've got mascot parade, we've got a theater play which we are doing, and then we've got two very interesting music and dance things for children. इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें moral की हैं बच्चों के लिए. सारी स्टोरी टेलिंग में सारी, क्योंकि जो भी बच्चों की चीज़ें बनती हैं, स्पेशली जो भी ग्रुप बना रहा होता है, तो दे पुट इन गुड थिंग्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन.